Day 2, folks. Well, day 1.5, I guess. Spending basically the day at the beach today in the afternoon. It looks really busy, but it's not really busy, like crowded busy. It's just beautiful. I find so far people are courteous. I don't know, so far the butler has been pretty cool. He's made contact with us. He's made contact with us physically on the beach, just out of the blue, see how we're doing. So far so good. Sun, beach, water, drinks. Not much more I can really complain about. Lots of seating. I mean, we came down here like 12ish, maybe after lunch, just after lunch, and that's kind of prime time for the beach. And we actually found 2 loungers, and I was shocked. We just moved them underneath the thing. We got lots of pictures going on here, lots of everything, like I'm doing. And I'm just going for a beach walk. This is the Elegance up there, I believe. Yeah, that's the Elegance side, the Center Hotel complex. So you got, I don't know, I'm not going to describe it, but you got 2 sides to the beach here. And I think we walk even farther. I think it's the Colonial, which I'll probably do. And they're all Majestic resorts. This whole beach is full of resorts. This is the resort strip. You can walk all the way around the corner and see other ones, but I might just walk to the corner. It's just a beach walk on a Sunday. The waves in the foreground and in the background. Just beautiful. Massages on the beach there. It's kind of private-ish. Not for me though. Yeah, I think this is the Elegance still, I believe. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I think this is the Elegance beach. They're all interconnected. It doesn't matter where you swim, man. You can swim anywhere, back in Plopatier, anywhere. I'm just gonna walk this way and enjoy this beach walk. Back home today. This morning when we woke up, I don't know, we got out of bed at what, 9ish? Just before 9ish. Checked the weather back home. It was minus 26. Check the weather here when we wake up at 9ish. It was plus 23. Sorry, I know it's only temporary for a week, but I'll take it for a recharge. I'm just enjoying it 1 hour at a time. Yeah, we're gonna see vendors on my video here, but they're very courteous. I have to admit it, you do say no thank you. And you don't see that one again. You might see another one because they don't know you said no the first time, right? But you just say no thank you. And they leave. It's not a big deal. They're not like, hey, hey, hey. You know? Very, very courteous. You're just sitting there anyways chilling. It doesn't take much to go no thank you. The wife got some pictures taken with the monkey and the parrot, but she wanted to. We're not going to be doing this too many times. It's not in the pocketbook. You know, could be. Win the lottery, come into some money. Anything could be possible. We made this possible. We can make another one possible. Shh. I think the wife would be agreeable with that. I think this is possible again. And now I know why some people rebook before they leave. I only like to do it in the winter months, so that is official. I wouldn't be coming here in our summer because we don't get much summer, so I just take our summer when we got it. I'm gonna go around the corner here. Nice. And some people complain about seaweed. Give me a break. Nothing wrong with this. Yeah, sometimes it's worse. I'm from fucking Canada. I've swam in Corey Lake. If I could fucking show you a picture of Corey Lake, you'd be amazed. This is beautiful here. I'm sorry. I believe this is the Colonial, I think. I could be wrong, but I think it's the Colonial. And that's the third one or the first one of the Majestic. Yeah, this is the Majestic. No, that's a tour guy. That's not a Majestic guy, I don't think. Could be. If I'd seen his shirt, I could tell you. Looks like a Majestic kind of security officer, just making sure things are cool. You know, I kind of like that. You know, they just make sure things are cool. No one's causing any disruptions. You know, people aren't in anybody's face. And I'm absolutely correct. It's still the Majestic thing. So we're coming to the end of the Majestic resorts. You can kind of see the corner here, and the beach goes on and on and on. It's beautiful. The sound and the wind, and with the wind coming off the ocean here, the sea. It's very, very refreshing, and it's not dramatically hot. I wouldn't want to sit here without the wind, though. I admit that. The sun would be brutal. So that's the end of the Majestic's resorts up here. So we're gonna turn around and head back this way and head back to the wave. So I'm gonna go take a picture of something.